Hi everyone! What are these? Well, it looks like we have a new material. It's called Vista Voca Tree kit. See, you know why it's called a kit? Because we have different materials behind. You can put the leaves in here. And, what are these? Voca stickers? But I don't know what they mean. Why don't we go with leaf? Leaf is a green part of a plant. Green part of a plant. See? Now, do you guys know what we have to do? And do you remember all the words we just learned? Cell, grow, leaf. And then we can do the rest at home when you have free time with your mommy or with your friends or your brother or sister, or you can do this by yourself because this is your Boca tree. All right? Okay, guys. Great job.